Have you ever wondered why Japanese students can memorize hundreds of characters while most people struggle to remember 5 new words? It's kind of crazy when you think about it, right? Today, you're going to learn the 5 Japanese memory secrets that help students remember almost anything. And trust me, some of these will, shock you. First, the kanji connection technique. Japanese students don't just memorize characters one by one. No, they connect them using tiny stories. They ask themselves, what does this look like? And how can I feel it? So instead of raw memorization, they create meaning because your brain remembers stories, not just symbols on a page. And the cool part? When you turn a symbol into a story, it becomes sticky. You won't forget it because your brain now has an image, a feeling, a tiny narrative to hold on to. Second, the visual layering method. When Japanese students study, they don't just rewrite the same thing over and over again. They rewrite it in layers. First layer, a simple outline. Second layer, a clean structure, just a little more detail. Third layer, full detail. Each layer deepens the memory. Memory grows in layers, not in pressure. And this is important. Most of us try to cram, you know? We go straight for the hardest, most detailed version and then complain, I can't remember this. But layering works with the brain, not against it. Third, topic mixing. This one is kind of a secret weapon. Most students, maybe even you, study one subject for hours, math, then more math, then maybe a tiny break. But Japanese students, they mix topics, math, then Japanese, then science, then a break, and repeat. This keeps the brain fresh. It prevents mental burnout. Your brain learns more by switching, not by suffering through endless hours of the same thing. Fourth, the Feynman rewrite. Instead of rereading notes, they explain the topic like they're teaching a child. Think about it. If you can simplify a concept and explain it, then you truly understand it. It's a huge difference between memorizing words and actually knowing what they mean. Because you only really know something when you can teach it. Fifth, the Japanese white space memory trick. Their notebooks aren't crowded. They leave intentional blank spaces around key concepts. Why? Because the brain pays attention to whatever has space around it. That's how our attention system works. Your memory improves when your notes can breathe. And here's the real takeaway. These students don't rely on talent. Nope, they rely on techniques designed for the human brain. And if you start using them, your memory will change dramatically. Smart studying is a skill, not a gift. And before you go, if you want to learn smarter, there's one more thing you need to understand. Why some people seem to learn fast while others feel stuck. I break that down in my other video on why some people don't post their photos, the real psychology. It reveals the mindset patterns that control almost everything you do. Watch it next. Your mind is about to get even sharper,